leaving Norfolk and Portsmouth this morning. Anchor is away at around 6 o'clock, 0600. And today's the 17th of July. We're headed for Cape May. So good morning, everybody. We are going, and fingers crossed that everything goes well for the next 22 to 24 hours on our way to Cape May. May be a little bit of headwinds, but not real strong ones. So maybe we'll be fine. Maybe we'll just go ahead and kind of tack back and forth because we have a little bit of time before the next system, as long as I get there before 12 in the afternoon tomorrow. So so we're on our way. All right, we'll pick up a little bit later here and see where we're at. Well, we are outside in the Atlantic. I just came through the Chesapeake Tunnel, or over it. We didn't go through it, we went over it. And so we're out and headed up the coast towards Cape May. And I may hit some headwinds a little bit. I'm kind of motor sailing right now. Not really a lot of winds. It's really hazy from the Canadian fires. It might clear up some. I can see a little bit of blue sky up there, but the horizon has a lot of haze to it. So you can't even, you can't see the bridge way over there. You can't see the point that I'm coming up alongside the land because it's too hazy. So I'm going to turn you around and you can see that it is very hazy towards the horizon. Hey everybody, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday, and we are supposed to have some east winds. Hasn't happened yet. Supposed to have 2-foot seas. 2-foot seas. Yeah, no, I think it's more than 2-foot seas. So it's changed abruptly in the last 45 minutes to an hour. And I don't have enough time to tack it all out to get there. I've got to get there before this storm hits tomorrow, and be able to go into the inlet, or the channel actually, at the right appropriate time. Good morning. It is Saturday, July 18th, isn't it? I'll have to double check. I think it's the 18th. Anyways, I pulled an all-nighter, leaving Norfolk to Cape May, and we're about 16 nautical miles from my anchorage in Cape May, if the friggin' flies don't eat me up. It is ridiculous, the flies. They have bugged you all night, all yesterday. They're just hungry out here. And they're just houseflies, but they're hungry. They're out here to see, and they chew you up. So, anyways, it was a rough night. Not able to sail. It was a rough passage. I did try to tack a few times, and seas were just so rough trying to tack to the direction. And then, of course, I have to be here before the next system comes in, which comes in around noon or 11. So, yeah, I need to be anchored. Well, I made it. I'm anchored next to the U.S. Coast Guard station at my favorites, Green 7. We did good. Feel like it's Halloween. I got a hoodie on. It's kind of chilly tonight, with shorts and a short sleeve shirt. It would be a little cold for me. So we are about 39 nautical miles from Sandy Hook. I'm taking my time, so I'm just sailing on a broad reach. So yeah, not quite down, running downwind. I feel like at night it's safer to do it this way than it is. It's not real fast, but I've been doing, 3.9 to 4.7. Sometimes hit 5 for just a split second. But yeah, no hurry. I really don't want to be there before before slack tide. I want to be there at slack tide, going in there, and it'll be daylight, which close to slack tide. As long as it's daylight, I'm okay. I've been in there when it's rushing through there a little crazy, but it's not bad. All right, so this is dark. You don't see anything at all. You can see the screen. But the chart plotter, maybe the city lights a little bit. That's about it. It's dark. And Cleena thinks she's gonna go alongside the boat here. Come back here. Come on. I don't like her out there towards the bow while we're rolling along here. I'd hate to have her slip off. All right. and see you in the morning. Hey everybody, so today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Thursday. So tomorrow I'm going to be leaving here, which is actually Sandy Hook, or really I'm in the anchorage of the Atlantic Highland Yacht Club. So here comes some boats right now that have been out probably doing races, because there were several of them that went out probably from the yacht club, and they're still coming in here. So I think they went out about 5 o'clock or so. They were out there for maybe a couple hours. Yep, there they are, coming in. So right now I'm gonna get ready to do my captain log that I've been ignoring after this video. But this is a pretty anchorage in here, and one day I will get to go up there and walk and see the view up there. It is protected from the southwest winds. Right now the winds are kind of blowing out of the north, which they're not bad winds, so it's not bad in here at all. So yep, I'm anchored. Survived the little storm front last night and yesterday evening. It's pretty in here. You see the Brooklyn Bridge and everything, but it's a hazy right now today, so you won't be able to see very much of it. You can rent mooring balls from the yacht club. They do have a launch service. And tomorrow I will go to the municipal dock and city dock and get fuel and water and pick up my groceries from Instacart. And hopefully they won't have to wait too long for them. And then I will be heading out for Marion, Massachusetts, which is this side of the Cape Cod Canal. It's about roughly one day, 8 hours. So I would say 32 to 34 hours of getting there. I have several places I can stop before, if I get, so I need to pull in somewhere, duck or whatever. There's some places up there, Montauk, Block Island, Newport. Third Beach is an easy one to get in and out. And and then I can do a couple like Mataports that on the way up there to Marion. Marion is before onset, so I may go there and leave for the Cape during the right time of the current going east. Okay, so we will see you in the morning, and I will get fuel, like I said, and water, and head on out. All right, catch you in the morning. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Love you.